Welcome to Payment Industry Innovation News, Weekly Executive Report. Let's begin with two news from PayPal. The first one is related to iSettle Food and Drink. This is a simplified point of sale solution designed to support business such as cafes and restaurants. Amongst others, features include remote payments, which allow merchants to charge customers by sending a payment link through SMS, instant messaging apps, email, social media, and so on, and integrated delivery, which enables merchants to manage all orders in a single place. The second one is Pay in 4. PayPal will offer an interest-free payment option that lets US users make purchases between $30 and $600 in 4 installments during 6 weeks. Pay in 4 brings no additional costs to PayPal merchants beyond the typical fees that these sellers already pay. Klarna and Afterpay also let online shoppers split purchases into 4 pieces, but charge fees to merchants for their installment offerings. The company will also use advanced analytics in determining whether or not to allow access to the Pay in 4 option for a given transaction. Google plans to launch a new solution to pay for parking in Google Maps. That's a solution currently live in Austin, Texas. The feature comes from a partnership between Google and parking app Passport and enables users to pay for parking directly in Google Maps as they approach to their destination. Users can either pay via Google Pay or go to payment site in their browser. Moreover, the solution aims to solve the issue of parking in cities where restrictions are not so clear. The new feature is available on both Android and iOS, and there is no information regarding if the service will be rolled out only in the United States or globally. Alexa, pay for gas. Those could be magic words if you stop at Exxon and Mobil petrol station in the United States. Fiserv, Amazon, and ExxonMobil announced that the service is now live at more than 11,500 petrol stations. When a customer pulls up to the pump and say Alexa pay for gas, it will confirm the station location, pump number, and then activate the pump. The customer can then begin fueling, payments completed automatically after fueling. Payments are made via Amazon Pay, allowing consumers to use the payment method associated with their Amazon account. No additional sign up or separate account is required. Amazon got approval from Federal Aviation Administration to start using its Prime Air delivery drones to deliver packages and other items. The drone development process started on 2013. Last year, Amazon unveiled an electric-powered delivery drones capable of carrying packages weighing less than 2.3 kilograms within 25 kilometers radius, with a delivery time under a half an hour. They want to offer same-day delivery to Prime customers. Regarding competition, Google drone delivery service Wing got Federal Aviation Administration approval in April to begin deliveries, while UPS won a green light from the agency last fall to deploy its own delivery drones. Norwegian web browser company Opera has joined the Emerging Payment Association EU as a founding member. Opera will cooperate with top fintechs to reshape the European payment sector. In January 2020, Opera acquired Estonian banking as a service startup Pocosys. This July, Opera unveiled plans to acquire Fjord Bank, a full digital consumer finance bank, as part of its expansion plans. Jico is a fintech startup offering an account where all customer deposits are automatically turned into treasury bills. They received the regulatory approval to buy Minnesota-based Mid Central National Bank. Jico launched app-based account that immediately turns deposit into treasury bills. When customer make a payment or an ATM withdrawal with their GICO card, the equivalent amount in treasury bills is sold to cover it. The benefit of the model is that customers get to keep the interest on the treasuries. GICO account generated a 3.3 return last year. RTGS Global is an international cross-border liquidity network. They, together with Microsoft, developed a new system which provides visibility of liquidity between counterparties. Built on Microsoft Azure, the network keeps existing commercial banking relationships, but will change the way they work by eliminating most of manual processing. RTGS Global enables settlement across both commercial and central bank, authenticating the exchange of funds between a bank based on the real-time availability of liquidity. It locks available liquidity at two counterparty banks before sending a liquidity block message to complete the transaction. The whole process takes just 50 milliseconds to complete, enabling real-time bilateral settlement of funds. UnionPay has launched its digital credit and debit cards. Users around the world can apply for cards, link them, and use them through various platforms, including the UnionPay app, bank apps, and e-wallets developed by mobile phone manufacturers. Cardholders can pay with mobile quick pass or QR code. Sensitive information such as card number and expiry date, as well as account, are protected throughout the payment process by tokenization and real-time risk monitoring. Singapore Exchange, working together with HSBC and Temasek, has completed its first pilot digital bond issuance on behalf of Olam International. The digital bond, which replicated a traditional public bond issue, demonstrated a streamlined process for issuers, underwriters, investors, and ecosystem participants across primary issuance and asset servicing. Key advantages included timely ISIN generation, that's identification number of bond, elimination of settlement risk, a reduction in primary issuance settlement from 5 days to 2 days, as well as automatization of coupon and redemption payment and register functionality. From the world of digital currencies of central banks, there are news from China and from South Korea. China Construction Bank has opened a wallet service for China's central bank digital currency to public users. However, it has disabled it after the feature gained widespread attention. By searching digital currency in Chinese, users of the bank app could navigate to the digital yuan wallet service and further activate it by registering with a mobile phone number associated with their bank accounts at China Construction Bank. However, the bank has now disabled the feature from public users. Still, the brief availability of the wallet shows the Chinese commercial bank has been working towards adoption for the digital yuan initiative. The Bank of Korea is speeding up its efforts to create a central bank digital currency. They will team up with a consulting partner to map out the overall work process and architecture to operate the digital currency system. A possible partner will assist the central bank in making a central bank digital currency system framework. In July, Bank of Korea completed its first stage review prior to getting the CBDC pilot system ready. Thank you for watching Payment Industry Innovation News. My name is Srđan Belić. See you next week with more news from payment industry.